A quick review of our Scoreboard app and how it applies to the products that we also can sell using our Scoreboard app. The first thing a student or a parent would do would be to download the app and then open the app. So we're going to click on the app. It's going to open the Scoreboard app, and you can see that every student, every coach would have an account. The account would give them how many units each individual is expected to sell or share with their friends and family. In addition to that, there's an overall total number of units. So in this case, our team has sold 360 units against a goal of 1,000 units. It also shows the individuals on the team and what they've sold or been responsible for at this point. Everyone who's participating. We can also break this down by varsity, junior varsity, sections within a particular band or an orchestra, high school, middle school. We can break it down as fine as needed, and we keep track of every sale by individual as well as by team. So you can see how this works. Coaches have a little bit more usability on this, which they can send text message reports. In addition to that, if we hit the share, this is where the student and the parents and the coaches can actually share the store with their friends and their family. So for instance, if I click on the share, I can share this image, I can save it, I can open it, and the image in this case opens. If we open it, it shows the actual stainless steel drinkware that we're selling for this particular fundraiser. In addition, this group is also doing the VIP rewards cards. If you share with somebody, this is what actually is going to go to their cell phones, would be a copy of this flyer. Now that flyer shows them what you're actually selling, but in this particular case, now we're going to go to the storefront, and we can view the storefront, as you can see right here, or we can share the storefront. So what we're going to do is we're going to view the storefront right now. So this is me, of course, because I created my own profile on here, but this is would be a football team. A student creates their own profile, puts their picture here, their name, a description, which we put that in there for you with your assistance, how you want it to be portrayed for your particular group when the student shares the storefront. What the student has actually produced so far. This is in their own profile, so they can actually see how they're doing to the goal. And then the actual product. And you can see here that the team is set up to sell rewards cards, discount cards. If a customer wants a discount card, they can put it in their cart and buy it. They can buy tumblers. So this particular group would be selling many items. It's important to note that when somebody buys something from this link that a student would share, that student receives individual credit because the link is identified. It's a custom link that ties directly to each student. And it doesn't matter how many times that link is shared, that student still gets credit for every one of those sales. So a student could share the storefront with, let's say, their grandmother in San Francisco. The grandmother could share it with 50 of her church friends. And if any one of those 50 church friends would make a purchase, the credit for that purchase comes all the way back to the student who's down here in Florida, because it is the link that actually assigns the credit. When we go back, you'll notice the icons at the bottom. So now we've talked about the scoreboard, the share app. You'll see that there's prizes. Each student can see that there's checkpoints. So we established the dates at where we want everybody to be. So on July 29th, the goal was 13. August 5th, the goal is 20. And then when a student hits those checkpoints, they get an automatic notice through our application that they have actually achieved a particular award. For coaches in particular, there is a PDF report that can be downloaded at any time That PDF report is a spreadsheet that shows every item that has been sold, and each student who has sold those items or been responsible for those sales. And this is particularly good for those groups who have students who have maybe individual accounts, and you want to take the money that's earned and divvy it up according to the student's responsibility in their individual accounts. Okay, so that pretty well covers the basic operation of the scoreboard. We can sell many things on here, but if I sent this to you, I sent you the 4 brochures of things that we use this for right now, which is the discount reward cards, the stainless steel drinkware, which can be customized with your logo. We also have the Crazy Sock program, and we've got some other items as well. I hope this is a quick run through. It's a very robust app, which is much more than what most, I think we're the only ones that are doing the entire comprehensive app for fundraising. Give me a call, and we can go through and maybe set you up as well. Thank you.